Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the CRKT Inara here with me for a quick review. This is a really interesting knife. Packaging is minimal, just a leaflet and the box and this plastic bag right over here. But what's inside is a very little nice and cool little knife. This is going to be $40 around that ballpark. It's an interesting frame lock, made in China. It's going to be 6.5 inch long overall length with a 3.8 inch long handle and 2.75 inch long Wharncliffe blade, which is really nicely designed, guys. Hollow grind, black washed, 8CR13 MOV. It's really good. Wharncliffe design is really cool. I really appreciate this line going on over here and these this G10 scale with these ridges protruding and extending up to here and just fading nicely into the blade. It's a really cool touch right over here. This is a very thin, very sleek, very light knife. It's a frame lock. It has a nice back spacer right over here, which is also G10, I think. I'm not sure. Probably not, guys. No, actually, this is metal. And it's a very cool little knife. I really appreciate the hollow grind going on over here. The sound this guy makes, this is like a thumb stud opening, so it's really easy. And this deploys like a, like a boss. Look at that. If you nail the right angle, this is gonna be very fast. And the sound it makes is nice and high pitch when you close it. It's barely audible. So really interesting overall. What is really interesting about this guy is the weight. Yeah, this guy is gonna be 1.8 ounces in the pocket, so ridiculously light. It's running on bearings, and that's why, you see, the action, as soon as you disengage the lock bar, it's gonna be pretty much free falling. There's no guillotine effect. But you can just wiggle it off and it's gonna close. The grip is nice. There's no hot spot created by this pretty steep clip ramp, but it feels really good for, like, of course, like being such a small little guy. So overall, I kind of like this guy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.